small speech about the vegetation of the Erdőbénye pasture. Thank you. Oh, really nice. De ez lehet ám Csabi, hogy potentilla alba. Hogy ez nem is fragária. Hát lehet levelet is. Maybe not, but you should collect leaves also. Difficult to say whether it is the same or the different species if you don't see the leaves. So first a few words about the Zemplén Mountains. This is a volcanic range of mountains which was formed from 15 to 13 millions of years ago. Millions of years ago. The primary volcanic forms are not observable. We have the secondary forms, so the cones you see, they are actually no volcanoes, but the remnants or fragments of some and few volcanic cones which decayed in the last 15 millions of years. So in addition to the volcanic eruptions, some loess is also accumulating on the slopes. Loess is formed in the Pleistocene, in the ice ages, and the dry conditions, the prevailing dry conditions have drifted a lot of dust from calcareous regions, and the fine particles have been deposited in certain parts of the mountain range, especially in the fringes of them, in the south and the fringes of them. The whole mountain range stretches from the Tokaj Mount, which you have first seen when we were approaching the range, much further to the north, crossing the Hungarian-Slovakian border, and ends up at a town called Eperjes or Prešov in Slovakian. So it's over 100 kilometers long range. The climate is also very variable in this geographical gradient. The Tokaj Mount, for example, has a very dry climate, 500 to 600 millimeters of rainfall, over 10 Celsius centigrade average yearly temperature. But in the central part of the mountain range, you can find 700 to 800 meter tall mounts where the precipitation is over 800 millimeters and the mean temperature is between 7 and 8 degrees centigrade. So there is a big and fast climatic change or climatic shift through the cross-section of the mountain range. Therefore, the vegetation is also variable. We will only see a small section of this variability. We will not see the high altitude mountain meadows, which are the most species-rich ones. We will not see or partly we'll see the steppes and the thermophilous oak forests. In the second stop we will see some of them. Here, where we stand here, is an intermediate condition, both for the precipitation and the temperature, and we are at an altitude of 300-350 meters, not higher. The original vegetation of this site was an oak forest with Quercus petrea, that oak, for example, behind you. Sessile oak, yes. Quercus petrea.
Where?
Quercus. Petrea.
Yeah.
Petrea. And there were scattered trees of hornbeam, Carpinus vetulus, the same tree that you have seen yesterday, the Bokta forest. So it's a mixed stand of Quercus petrea and Carpinus vetulus. Similarly to the last site yesterday, this pasture was formed in the 18th century, roughly in the 1750s.